Hello friends, welcome to the special session for BFM now. All of you have cleared ABM or not cleared ABM, anything. I won't say only cleared. Okay, it can happen that you have not cleared ABM, no issues. See, point over here is if you have not cleared any paper, don't stick to it. Okay, don't stick to it, leave it. Move on to the next. Very important, because if you keep on crying about whatever has gone, you can't face the future also. Leave it. And those who have cleared the ABM, don't be on the seventh sky, सातवें आसमान पर. ABM cleared, BFM भी clear कर लेंगे. BFM is not that simple. BFM is not that simple. Kindly note, you guys. BFM, if you see, okay, I'll show you directly only. This plan means what? I'll directly give you the topics which you'll have to study. Module A, see this. Module A, directly let's hit the target. Okay? Instead of telling you some general theory, study in the morning, study at night, study for 1 hour, 2 hours, study anything. Study these topics, whatever I'll tell you. Okay? First is exchange rates, numericals. Compulsory numericals will be there on exchange rates and forex business. Compulsory numericals will be there. You will get 1 or 2 case studies. 1 case study for 5 marks and 1 or 2 for simple 1, 2 marks. Again, exchange rates and forex business. You have to focus on this chapter. This will clear many doubts in your mind also. Okay, we are starting a case study batch also tomorrow, means power pack revision batch we call it. Okay, so we'll be starting that also. Join it without fail. I'll be giving you the PDF, same as in ABM. Whatever I gave you in ABM, similar I'll give you the BFM PDF also. You will clear it. Majority paper is from that. LRS, liberalized remittance scheme and other remittance schemes. So that $250,000 that will be asked. Okay, LRS. Got it? LRS. Now, kindly note, LRS is applicable to what? To whom? To whom it is not applicable? All these. Correspondent banking and NRI accounts. Okay. So, here you will have all the types of NRI accounts. NRE, NRO, FCNR, RFC. Okay. Then special accounts. You will have EFC accounts also over here. Correspondent banking. What is correspondent banking? That you will be studying over here. What is known as agent banking system? This is agent banking system. Then documentary LCs. Documentary LCs, 1 case study will be there in exam. 1 case study. Compulsory will be there. Documentary LCs. Okay. One case study is compulsorily there. Various types of LCs. Now the questions will be based on what are the various types of LCs? Number 1. Number 2, what are the various banks involved in the LCs? Okay, issuing bank, advising bank, nominated bank, then confirming bank, okay, negotiating bank, reimbursing bank, various banks are there. Then we will be having the questions on UCP 600, okay, UCP 600. That is related to LC. Then afterwards you get facilities to exporters, importers. So that is okay. That is this is a theory topic. What are the latest facilities given by the government to the exporters and importers? Then ECB, external commercial borrowing. This topic will have much importance. Roughly you will get around 5 to 7 marks of questions in this, in ECB, okay? Foreign investments in India. What are the various types of foreign investments? These are related to this one. FDI, FPI, both of them will be asked. Okay. What are the various types of ECBs? That will be asked. External commercial borrowings. Role of ECGC. Here you will be having various policies of ECGC related to the bank and related to the customer. There are 2 separate set of policies. Then all this you will have to study. See, strategy means what strategy? If you don't study this, what's the use? Focus on whatever I am telling, okay? Role of Exim Bank, RBI, Exchange Control, FEMA and and others. Okay, various institutions. These are all simple questions. You will be able to clear it if you read the theory, all theory. Then IFSC, complete theory topic, GIFT City. Okay. The roles of various, the role of IFSC, the role of IFSC A, that is also a separate role that you'll have to study over here. Then technology in international banking, this you will be studying with AI and blockchain. Both the technologies will be asked, but its relation is asked only to international banking, not to the retail banking. Here you will have EDPMS, IDPMS, both of them you will be having compulsory questions, EDPMS and IDPMS. Okay. Mod B, module B relates to risk. Read all the topics, risk. We have this song, na, Ishq Ishq. Similarly, risk. This is the song. So, risk and basic risk management framework, this is the base. There is no numericals in this. No numericals in this. Risk in banking business, theory. Again, various types of risks are there. All will be studied by you. Credit risk, market risk, ops risk, liquidity risk, basis risk, foreign exchange risk, price risk, yield curve risk, various risks are there. Gap risk, all of them are to be studied. The most toughest chapter, risk regulations in banking industry, most toughest chapter. In remaining 7 days, you must give at least 1 full day to this chapter. 1 full day to this chapter. Single chapter, 1 full day. It is so important. Very, very, very important. You have lot of numericals in this. Lot. Market risk, credit risk, ops risk, all these 3 types of risk. These are in Basel. So various nitty-gritties of them, how to measure them, how to control them. Okay, how to keep them in control, that's also all the 3. Liquidity risk management, this topic is repeated 2 times, here also and module D also. I'll be showing you in module D also. Liquidity risk management, okay, how to manage the liquidity risk. Basel 3 framework on liquidity statements, Basel 3 has various pillars, all the 3 pillars are discussed, then CRAR is discussed. Within each pillar there are subgroups. Okay, first pillar is minimum capital. There you have again 3 subgroups, credit, market, ops, these risks. Okay, pillar 2, again you will be having this supervisory review. There you will have ICAP. Then pillar 3, the transparency part, balance sheet management we call it. Okay, transparency, it's related to corporate governance. Okay, Basel 3. So all these 3. Then module C, introduction, it's totally related to treasury. Again, see, as I told you in module B, risk, same thing over here, treasury, everywhere treasury. This is mostly the theory topic, but 2 to 3 numericals are there. Introduction to treasury management. So, what is the role of latest treasury? Means we call it integrated treasury. Okay. Then various 3 types of product chapters are there. Treasury products, derivative products, and one more is there. This, debt products, international equity. And these 3 are the products which are used in treasury. So, definite question will be there on these 3 topics. Okay. Treasury products means all related to derivatives also. OTC, ETC derivatives plus various other products developed by treasury on its own. Every bank's treasury develops separate products. Okay, international equity and debt products. So equity and debt both, fixed income as well as risk instruments. Funding and regulatory aspects. Okay, funding means how do you fund the bank also. Here you have this various types of fund transfers. Okay, means transfer pricing. This is a part of this funding and regulatory aspect. Treasury risk management. Again, risk management means it will relate to ALM. See, this topic and this topic will be related to each other because risk means ALM over here. Okay, derivative products. All the types of derivatives will be studied by you in this. Derivative means in the sense you will be studying your swaps, you will be studying options, futures, forwards, okay, FRAs. These are the 5 which will be asked. ALM already I have told you, ALM and risk management are related. Then module D, See this module D is related to balance sheet, complete balance sheet management. Okay. Components of assets and liabilities. So various assets of bank means assets means loans. Okay. What are the various loans given by the banks? What are the various deposits? Liabilities. Okay. Then capital adequacy management. Capital adequacy means what? CRAR. You will have the norms for that. See, again I will tell you, module B is very important. If you see module D, majority it is repeated from module B only. So that's why module B is the core. Okay. Then asset classification and provisioning norms. Various provisions for loans. Provisions in the sense, provisions related to a substandard, doubtful one, doubtful two. There are weightages also. Loss also, loss assets. See, I told you liquidity management. The topic was there in B also and D also. Okay. Names are a bit different, but this liquidity management. Okay, means again managing the liquidity part. Interest rate risk management. Interest rate risk and price risk are related to each other. They are opposite of each other. Okay. So that, and last one is REROC and profit planning. Very important topic. One numerical is there. Only one formula is there and one numerical. That will be asked. So strategy means what? These are the topics, main points which I have pointed it out. Focus on those points only. Again I am telling you, module A, focus on the numericals. Module B, focus on this risk regulations. Module C, derivative products, various products of treasury. And module D, focus on liquidity and REROC. Yeah, liquidity and REROC. These two you must focus. Okay. And we are starting the new batch also. Kindly note this. Do join this batch ASAP. Tomorrow morning it's starting. Okay. Tomorrow morning the batch is starting. This one. See this. BFM Power Pack Revision Batch. Okay. Click on buy now. See. Download at that 24/7 app and then only purchase. See, here the discount is 79%. Now if you join using my code Y432, I'll give you this code. If you join using this code, see the discount becomes 81%. 81%. Plus, if you join further by downloading the app, you'll get it 82%. So 82% discount you will be getting. It's a huge thing. Again, 82% discount. Got it? Don't miss this batch. Tomorrow it is starting. Okay? Bye everyone.